So the volume of a cylinder, again, we're going to use the area of the circle and give it some thickness. So this cylinder has a radius of 2 centimeters and a height of 5 centimeters. What's the volume? So looking at right here, the area of the circle. So the radius of the base of the circle is going to be 2 centimeters. So we have the cylinder height based on the diagram shows base of 1 centimeter grid. Use the centimeter cubes to make a layer the size of this grid. So we're gonna then use this circle and use pi r squared to calculate the area of that circle. And then we're gonna use the thickness, okay, to get the volume of the prism. So the cylinder height has a height in this case. We're given the height. The height is 5 centimeters here. Okay, so there's our height, 5 centimeters. We're going to record that in here. Stack the centimeter cubes on the base that you made in part A and make a prism with this height. So volume of the prism is going to be area of the base. In this case, the base we're going to use is 4 by 4. And then the height is going to be 5. So we can use this as approximately, we're just going to say is about 80 centimeters cubed. Okay, so if we use that square base. So we can say that the volume of the cylinder is about 80. We know it's less than 80. We could even say probably about 70 centimeters cubed. So it says about. So predict, will the volume of the cylinder be greater or less than the volume of the prism? It's going to be definitely less. Okay, because that circle does not fill up this circle here does not fill up the whole 16 centimeters that we used as our base. Okay, so we know that the base of the square base is going to give us a volume of 80, so we know that our cylinder should be less. So we're going to calculate the area of the circle, pi r squared. Okay, the area of the circle is going to be pi times 2 squared. Okay, so 2 squared is 4, so pi times 4. Here they're using 3.14, but feel free to use pi, the pi button on your calculator. I'm getting 12.57.